Welcome back everybody, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this thing here is One UI 8. And yeah, there's some nice things. You can see right now I can use pinch this gesture to just scroll through all my notifications, which wasn't available before. One more time. This is, by the way, very convenient if you want to use this option. Now, let me show you the other good stuff. This thing here is the new list application option. This is something that I really wanted for so long and it wasn't available. So when you go to the end of your home screen, you have two options. You can show the featured apps based on usage, which is good because it's going to rearrange all your apps based on your usage, or you can go and select the grid option, which is the default one and which was also available previously. The second new thing, guys, multi-titles, all right? So right now you can see I have here a title, but now I can scroll down and click on the plus button, and from here I can add more titles. Yeah, we have also the running coach. So running coach is one of the new health features. You can use this as a companion, you know, to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers as much as you want. It's still in beta. Find your running level to determine which distance you're ready to train for, and etc. So there are new exciting things, and the best is, guys, if you don't like this, you can just hold your finger like this. Right, you can click edit and then you can decide to remove it. All right, let's see what else we can do from here. So we have some featured, this is some routes, we have the running coach, then we have some activities. Okay, battery, what about the battery? Yeah, we have some new cool nice battery widgets. Let's say I want to get an indication of the battery, so I can add it here, and because that's a multi-title, guys, I can click and I can add more if I want. Can I? Let me just try. Yep, I can. Can also add, let's say, a media controller. So right now, guys, every time I go to this title, I can just scroll like this, and then I'm going to have more titles. Okay, guys, something else, and I do believe this is really important. When you go inside the settings and you scroll down to advanced features, finally there's going to be the now bar style, and we have basically two options, right? You can either choose to only get an icon, or you can get an icon also with text, and I'm going to show right now. For the media controller, I decided to use icon with text. So what I'm going to do right now on my phone, I'm going to play a nav extracts, and you're going to see this is really just not an icon, guys. You get also the text, and it's going to scroll like this, and you can click here, and it's very accessible. Of course, I can still use the gesture to stop the song if I want, right? And then I can always go back and I have the option to see really what is running. If you don't like this, you can always go back to advanced features, or I can demonstrate. I'm going to go to the now bar style, and then for the media controller I can only choose the icon. And right now, guys, I'm going to have this very small icon that was kind of like the style in the previous One UI 6, which wasn't great. So right now in One UI 8 we have this option to just get finally a proper notification down below, specifically when you're running, or let's say you're walking. This is just so much more convenient. And from here, boom, I can just go activate the app, stop the app. All right, so here, same story. I can close all the applications. Now when everything is closed, guys, I can use the pinch gesture to scroll through my navigation, to scroll through my notification, which is really cool. And let me show you one more fun thing, guys. What happens when I hold this button like here? Hey Gemini, what is the weather today?
In Sofia, it'll be sunny.
All right, so plenty of new exciting options, guys, and I just want to show you really also what the software looks like. If I go inside Samsung Wearable, right, this is it. So you can go inside tips and guides, and now, guys, we have One UI 8 watch. You can check all the new features from here, getting around, how to personalize it, all the apps and features, all the gestures, because everything right now is tweakable. And I do believe this is really a great release. And I honestly, I don't really think that if you have the old watch Ultra from 2024, there is a reason for you to upgrade. But if you want to upgrade, guys, you can still do this. By the way, what is the software version, guys? Let me show you. If I go in watch settings and I scroll down and I go to watch software update, I can always initiate the option to download and install. And you know, after a short check, we can see this is BYFA. This is the One UI version 8.0 watch. You can also go and check the full storyline. How? You go from here, and they can click one UI 8 version, and there is also the changelog. Like, this is a pretty extensive changelog. I tried to do some screenshots that I can share with you, so I can just show you. All right, so there are plenty of things inside. If you want to get the full story, you can always go and open the link. But for me, one of the biggest additions is apparently the now bar that I do believe is quite nice. All right, and also, guys, all these new multi-titles, because this is finally really very easy for you to just get so many things on all the other tiles, and you don't really have to scroll like crazy left and right. You can just scroll up and down and you can customize it. And of course also the addition of the now bar. One more last final check. I want to test the now bar, so you know what I'm gonna do. I'm just trying to play a song from Mr. Ozzy Osbourne, and here we have it, guys, the new now bar style. Very easy to be touched with one finger. You click Spotify, you access it, and that's it. All right, rest in peace, Mr. Ozzy Osbourne. You were the best. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.